At Trueline Studio, our Chroma setup stands out for its meticulous design. We have integrated 7 layers of premium acoustic panels to eliminate sound reverb and reflection, ensuring pristine audio. With 20 top-notch lighting panels, our Chroma is perfectly lit from every corner, providing superior quality output and easing your post-production work. Our acoustically transparent Chroma screen optimizes both sound and visual performance. Our expert technicians offer real-time support during your shoot, ensuring everything runs smoothly. We also utilize best-in-class mirrorless cameras and lavalier mics, along with premium supporting equipment to achieve professional-grade results.